Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use NovaClick with Bullx, so how you can get NovaClick set up with all these buy bonds, etc. As you can see here, as well as that, NovaClick also has this like super useful snipe button where you can actually snipe tokens while they're migrating. So once that first block hit and the token is graduated, you can actually be one of the first few transactions to buy the token. So if there's a hot new token going out, by simply hitting that snipe button, you can get in super early, make insane gains off of graduated tab. So yeah, this is going to be a full video on how you can like make insane P&Ls with the Nova bot. As you can see here, some people like Melometrics are making some like crazy profits from using Nova bot. So yeah, make sure you watch the end of the video. But first of all, to actually get access to NovaBot, what you're going to want to do is go down to the link in the description, click that link, and it'll take you over to the Nova Telegram bot. And just from the start page, obviously you can see the buy, positions, wallet, sniper, everything that you need here. Now to actually set up those specific buy snipe bonds that we see here on Bullx Neo Vision, what you want to do here is go and click on that NovaClick button over there. As you can see, NovaClick. And then from there, what you're gonna want to do is gonna click this button right here where it says download, and this is going to take you to an extension where you can actually this is the actual extension that allows you to like view all the buy bonds and sell bonds, etc. on NovaClick, snipe bonds, everything like that. And there's also a guide here to show you how to set up as well. But yeah, once you've got that installed, what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually want to go to a site called click.trade on nova.io. The link for that is going to be in the description. And then what you're going to do is go and connect your Telegram account here. As you can see here, it says connect Telegram. Click on that button. Open up the Nova Telegram app again. It's going to come here. As you can see here, it says launch NovaClick. You're going to want to click on that button as well. Open that, and what this is going to help you do is connect your Nova bot directly to the NovaClick extension. If you don't do this, you're going to be getting failed orders because when you hit this buy button for Nova, your Nova account's not going to be connected, your wallet, everything's not going to be connected, so you're going to be getting failed orders. So you need to do this to actually get your transactions through. But yeah, that's how you set up NovaClick with Bullx. Now lastly, I'm just going to quickly go over the settings, so the best settings that I'm using right now to trade with NovaClick and Bullx. So first of all, you're going to want to click this settings button right here, and you're going to see like this page right here. First of all, this is to set your gas fee, which is like the fee you use when you put transactions pass through. For the most part, you can set this to a really low number for most people. I just set it to 0.001 sol, as you can see here. For buy tip I set to 0, but for sell tip I set to 0.001 sol as well. I'll probably say you can probably set the buy tip to 0.001 sol as well. That might help you out, get some like slightly quicker transactions. But yeah, if you want to increase this buy fee, it's going to increase the speed of your transactions as well. But as well as that, we also got slippage here as well. You can set, I set my buy slippage to 20%. I set my sell slippage to 13%. You can change those to whatever you want, obviously, but if you set really high to like 50%, there's a chance of you getting mev'd, which basically means you'll get sandwiched and you'll end up paying a higher price. Like you'll end up paying max slippage because of like some bot or something. Usually if you set below like 20% or 30%, you should be good. So yeah, but mev protect, I usually turn those off. And the buy, this is like the processor that the transaction is sent through. I put my buy and sell ones to ultra. But you guys can change this to whatever you want, but I just normally just use ultra. That's the one that I've always used. As well as that, we got presets. This is just like the buy and sell. Also in the sniper copy trade presets. This isn't that important. And wallets. As you can see, you can change your wallet settings or whatever, And then quick buy. So yeah, this is where you set your like buy amount, so whatever that when you click on these buttons, it will usually send this transaction through straight away. So I just set mine to 0.5, 0.1, but you can set this like to whatever you want, obviously, and this is up to you. Depends on how much like size you're trading with. Quick sell as well, 25, 50%, straightforward. I normally just leave those default. But yeah, those are the sends that I'm using currently. Obviously, you can change your sends to whatever you want. And there is this auto buy thing as well, which is like if you're like, maybe if you're waiting for a token to pop up on Trails or something, you might use this to quickly paste in a contract. And what we'll do is automatically buy that token when auto buy is enabled. Obviously, you're going to want this disabled for the most part, but if there's anything hot, you can enable it, just paste in the contract. It's all going to automatically buy that token for you. Now, to actually buy and sell tokens, what you can actually do is you can just paste in the contract address and just paste it into the Nova Telegram bot directly. You can buy your amount, buy whatever amount you want and sell, like from here, and to sell obviously from the Nova Telegram bot. You just go to your positions and it will usually be listed here. You just open up the position and then you can click the sell button. It's really straightforward to do. Also, if you're on Bullx Neo, or you can also use the quick buy here, just like you normally do with Bullx. With Nova, obviously you're going to want to route it through Nova instead of Bullx, because obviously you get a faster transaction speed, because Nova is just, it's a slightly quicker bot compared to Bullx. But yeah, as well as that, if you open up the terminal, you can set your sell amounts as well, your sell and buy amounts. So if you want to buy 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, so etc. This is usually set in your presets. So when you first open up Nova Click, you can set your presets and your sell amount presets as well. But as you can see here, if you want to buy and sell 0.5, so you can just literally click this button and it's going to do that. And if you want to switch to sell, it's going to show up the sell buttons. So if I want to sell 25%, I can just click that, or I can set my own sell percentage. But yeah, that's our video and our guide on how to install Nova Bot with Bullx, how to use Nova Click with Bullx. Now, obviously Nova, Nova Bot's really great if you're scalping. It's also really great if you're sniping on tokens on migration, etc., etc. But also, like I said, it's a quicker bot as well. It's just overall the best bot there is right now. I think it's really competing with Bullx and market share. But yeah, if you guys want to check out Nova Bot, check the link in the description. Really great bot, really recommend you use it. Also, if you want to join our Discord and Telegram, check the links in the description. And lastly, if you want the best deck screener filters, our Bullx Neo filters to find 100 X's every other day, check the link in the description to our website. Just submit your email and we'll send you that. But anyways, have a great day and peace out.